Hey, this is Scott from D10. We are here at InfoComm 2026, and we're excited about showing everyone our new solutions for the digital workplace. We're punching out of the meeting room, and we're covering the entire office with interactive touch devices like our new Kiosk. If you look over here, we've used our D7X 27 all-in-one touch endpoint. We've partnered with Urban on this exclusive kiosk stand that makes it super easy to deploy in lobbies, elevator banks, anywhere where your employees or your guests are interacting with information they need to reserve a room. There's wayfinding, there's available rooms by floor, by building. It's super interactive, and the response is instantaneous. So these are integrated together with the AppSpace application, and then you can use your Microsoft Places imported into AppSpace so you can see all your Microsoft Teams rooms, which ones are available, or any other information about your facility. In addition to that, we also have our Zoom Workplace Kiosk, so it's super easy to deploy this if you're on the Zoom platform, including virtual receptionist, visitor check-in. You also have access to all your workplaces, so you can see which rooms are reserved, which ones are available, and you can set yourself up for a full productive day at the office. So both of these kiosks are available now for our workplace solution set, and you can find out more at d10.com.